Hello, in front of me I've got Shark Attack X85. In this video I'll show you how to create and assign macro. In the beginning, let's go to Shark Attack app and go to macros. Now create new macro and now select edit recorder macro file, select keyboard or mouse input and repeat count and delay. Now select start recording, record your macro, stop recording and tap save. Once it's done, let's go back to configurations, select button you would like to assign your macro to, right press on the button and select custom function. Now select macro definition and select your macro. Apply and it's done. If you found this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.